RevenueWell is a patient communication tool designed specifically for dental offices to help teams become more efficient and more effective throughout the day. So just kind of give you guys a little taste. So as you can see, RevenueWell, this is our home screen, and this is where all of your alerts can be found. So you'll see that patients have asked for a phone call, you'll see that they have pending appointment requests, and pending payments. So these are what I define as today's items or today's musts. So these are things that you want to do right away. And then you have your alerts like text messages and reviews that are coming in throughout the day that you want to keep clean. Going to the appointment tab, one of my favorite parts about this tab here is the ability to quick fill the schedule. So depending on what practice management system you're using, anytime you add them as an ASAP list or sooner if possible, we actually pull those patients into that list so that your staff can quick fill the schedule as needed. So an example would be, let's say tomorrow we have an appointment at 12:30 that we need a quick fill. All we're going to do is go into our view list or send notification. I'm going to select those individual patients, notify those patients that we have an appointment tomorrow at 12:30, and we're going to send out a mass text, email, or phone call to all those patients. So once again, the goal here is to quick fill that appointment and make sure that we're a little bit more profitable tomorrow. So one of our largest revenue generating campaigns that we offer, which is automatic, is our treatment plan follow-ups. The average practice has about $500,000 in outstanding treatment plans. Our goal is to capture about 5% of that. So what RevenueWell does is it recognizes that you've proposed a treatment plan to a patient, and it will automatically follow up, giving them educational information to help them make a better decision on their health. So an example would be here in this email. We'll actually include information about that treatment plan. They can watch a PCI Cloud video to better understand what's involved with that treatment plan. And we can also send out a text message asking if they have any questions or any concerns about what's been proposed. So here we can see a video of the actual treatment plan itself. You can do this up to 5 times, and everything is customizable. So however you present treatment today is exactly how we want the email and text to sound tomorrow. One of the other advantages to RevenueWell is the ability to send new patients their new patient paperwork. So anytime we recognize that a new patient appointment has been created, we'll go ahead and send them their new patient paperwork prior to that appointment. So when they click on that link, they'll be directed to a landing page, and they can actually complete their health history, patient registration, insurance, and depending on your practice management system, those forms will write back or at the very least give you a scanned copy. We all know reviews and surveys are really important to a practice today, so Google and Facebook are probably your top 2 priorities, and RevenueWell will send out an automated review request right after that appointment via email or via text. And you actually determine if you want to send it to Google, Yelp, Facebook. It's your preference, and we'll help you set that up. One of the other advantages of RevenueWell is the fact that we actually help with your social media, so some of your marketing capabilities as well. So the trouble with social media today is that it's difficult to come up with content. You have somebody that needs to manage it throughout the week or throughout the month, and then trying to get people to actually follow it. So we actually help with some of that engagement. Here's an example of what we can do here. So every week we can actually send out 2 posts on your behalf on Mondays and Fridays. You can come in here, you can view what we have available, and you actually can substitute it and delete it if you like. If you don't like it, then you can change it, right? It's all about you. We also give you access to a library, so if you don't want us posting twice a week on your behalf, you can actually come in here and use it as a good substitute for what you're doing as well. So you can see here there's dental humor jokes. The opposite of wisdom teeth, curly, leery, molar, that's a wicked good joke. One of the new and exciting things that we're also offering is a PCI Compliant way of collecting payments. So RevenueWell will actually send patients payment links manually through text messaging, and they can actually pay online. You can also put that link on your website as well as your forms.